iPhone screen of death is a common occurrence, which can be attributed to hardware or software damage in general. Next, we will gather 8 workarounds and 1 ultimate way to fix the black screen of death on your iPhone. Part 1 to 8 quick solutions to fix iPhone black screen of death. 1. Charge your iPhone. 2. Close the crashed app. 3. Hard reset your iPhone. 4. Restore your iPhone with iTunes. 5. Restore your iPhone in DFU mode. 6. DIY repair. 7. Get iPhone screen repair service. 8. Reach out to Apple Store. Part 2. Fix iPhone black screen of death with dedicated tool. Your iPhone is in black or red or white or blue screen death for unknown reasons, and you want to find the easiest and safest way to fix it? Here's a tool called iOS System Recovery, which could come in really handy. Next, let's see how to fix iPhone black screen with iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Launch the program on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 3. Repair your iPhone with the black screen of death. Step 4. Restart your iPhone.